So this is my Nissan GTR. You could own this one for £3.79.
Wait. The GTR is amazing. But if you don't want the GTR and you win, you can take £40,000 tax-free cash money. GTR or £40,000 cash. That could be our biggest cash giveaway ever. You've got to play.
This one's been tuned by Litchfield, so this one's running like 660 brake, stage 4.25. I got some massive air intake on this one as well. They call it like Litchfield Dominator. Since I had this one, I did a lot of things on this one. I upgraded the exhaust, changed the color of the wrap. It's a good color behind the wrap on this one. It's a NARDO gray. So when you strip this off, you got a nice color, but I chose this chrome orange because it's something different. So if you're gonna have a car of your dreams like this, you have to go in on this color. So I think chrome orange is the one as well. And I'm telling you, like, on pictures, it don't do the justice, but when you see it in person, cleaned properly, and you see this one in the car show, I'm telling you, this is the one. Actually, like, me and my brother driving around in London last weekend, and they saw our cars.
It's not me! Yo! That's the Yiannimize guy.
Oh my lord! Oh my, yeah!
That's what oh.
What the oh my god!
So I'm selling the car because I had it for 2 years now. I think I had my fun with it, and yeah, I think it's time for a new change. My baby's getting bigger now as well, so I think it's time to get a 4-door now. Makes me happy, like, someone could own this car just only like £3.79. So yeah, this one is a great opportunity. Then imagine driving this car. Yeah, I actually, like, a lot of people telling me that they want to buy the cars. Some of them offer me some money now. Some of them like sticking some notes on my windscreen that they want to buy the car. Yeah, so I mentioned it to you and I want to sell the car. Then they said to me that they want to buy it from me and they want to put it on competition. So I'm gonna show you guys what's the modification of this car. First thing, as you can see, a Type 2 Liberty Walks Bodykit. So this one's like, it's not like a standard Liberty Walks Bodykit, but this one got different bonnet, different bumpers, arches, side skirt, carbon wing mirrors, massive spoiler at the back. I don't know how big the wing is, but it's about this. My arm's too short for this one. 3-piece Vossen wheels on this one. As you can see, the finishing of the lip is gloss black and the middle bit is satin black. And I got some titanium lug nuts, titanium dust cap as well. I got some massive EBC brake as well. So when you brake this one, it holds the power as well. So as you can see, the car is sitting pretty low, so because I got some air suspension on this one. So I got AirLIFT struts on this one and AIRLIFT management. So yes, it's a good combination because when it comes to struts, I think AIRLIFT is the one, and when it comes to management, AIRLIFT is the one. So I got some full titanium exhaust in this one. So I got downpipe, full exhaust system, and special edition exhaust tips. The exhaust is really loud, but luckily I got some sensors inside that you can just wave your hand and it's gonna close the valve and it's gonna sound like a Prius. So as you can see, the inside, I wrap every single chrome bits in here. I add some little red chrome bits, carbon steering wheel, carbon paddle shift, and yeah, as you can see, I got some little fire extinguisher there as well. So let's not forget this number plate. It's gonna be yours as well. So it comes together with the car. Imagine that. You don't need to think about any not proper plate for it. This is the best one. Let me stick it back before we get pulled over. So if you're not convinced to buy this one for £3.79, I think it's about time that I'm gonna show you what this car is all about. Yiannimizecoms.com.